Hello everyone! Let me show you how to make a very simple bag using the granny stitch. These are the colors I'll be using. This is my double knit cotton yarn and my 3.5mm hook. You start by chaining 32. Next, you need to single crochet into each chain, starting from the second one. This is the row of single crochet. Now at the end of the row, chain 3. This counts as one double crochet, and then do one other double crochet here in the first stitch. Next, skip 2 stitches, and in the third stitch work 3 double crochets. Skip again 2 stitches, in the third work 3 double crochets, and repeat this pattern until the end of this row. When you're reaching the end of your row, skip 2, work 1 double crochet in this last stitch, and then in the second double crochet we will need to join the next color. So when you do the double crochet, you do half of it, you leave the yarn behind, you bring the new yarn, you hold it like your working yarn, and then pull through and chain 3, and then pull on these 2 yarns to make it tight. This next row, it's just a bit different at the beginning and the end. So as you can see, you have the chain spaces now, and you have the 2 double crochets which you ended with. So next is we chain 3 and counts as 1 double crochet, and then you work 3 double crochets in the chain space. And then you continue without skipping anything. You just continue to do 3 double crochets, 3, 3 until the end of the row. When you get close to the end of this row, it's gonna be slightly different than the previous one. So after the 3 double crochets in the chain space, here you have the chain 3 and the double crochet from when you started this pink row. So in between the 2 double crochets, you start a double crochet, you work half of it, and then you change color. You chain 3, pull on the tail and the previous working yarn, and now you repeat this row 1. So you will have here the space just like here, and you have the chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and in the space here you work another double crochet, and then like previously double crochet 3 times into each chain space, and at the end into this chain space you will work 2 double crochets. And you work 17 rows of the granny stitch in alternating colors, starting with 1 row of single crochet and ending with 1 row of single crochet. When the 2 sides are finished, you have 2 options: either weave in all the ends if you enjoy doing that, or if you're working with cotton yarn, you can just make very tight knots. It will not unravel easily or even at all. And then the next part is to just sew it nicely, because I tried to single crochet but it wasn't looking very pretty. So just sew with, I would say, a plain color all on 3 sides, and then just turn your work around and it looks pretty neat. You can use any type of strap you have, or you can crochet one. I have short showing just a very nice and sturdy strap to use for any type of bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.